Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. So it is finished. I have completed it. It's gone quite chunky. And yeah, I thought I'd do a flip through. So you've seen it at various stages of me making. I didn't do it all on camera. I did do all the cover on camera and the basic construction, but the decorating of the pages aren't all fully on camera, but most of the things I did can be seen. So I made this flip out. This has got its own dedicated video, this flip out section that I did. Oh, slightly tight going in there, trim it down. So lots and lots of space here. So although that's a nice sentiment, could actually put a photo on there. So yeah, lots of little tags and things, lots of places for recording memories, putting photos, adding journaling, whatever. Whoever gets this wants to do with it. Really thoroughly enjoyed making it. It's been really nice to do something that's not inky. I liked that, just leaving it the way it is. Again, that could get covered, but it does look pretty at this stage. So there, these are those cards. So I bought the notelets and envelopes that match this paper, so it's all matching. Everything's matching, as is the Stampin' Up! Way. And then I've left quite a few just plain pages. Haven't added anything to this at all, so there's plenty of room there for journaling. Could journal on both pages, could add photos, whatever you want. So there's a nice big plain tag there to put on whatever you like, and then there's one there with space on the back for whatever it could add. You could add white paper to it to write on, or you could just write straight on the green, or indeed add a photo. So then I've put an envelope here, which I didn't show this on camera. I just used the envelope punch board to create this envelope, and then it's just got a fold out piece of paper in there for journaling on. You could add tickets in here, different memories, you know, whatever you want to record. Actually, the nature of that doily means I'd be better off putting the paper clip up there, because otherwise that's going to cause damage there. Just a simple little tag here with the paper to match the pocket. And here we've got that vellum pocket, which I added. So it's just vellum sheet, and then I added the DSP there to that, and just use those journaling cards. Envelope there, which I stamped on. I thought that matched these flowers quite nicely, and so the other half is over there. I'm really pleased with the way this turned out. I love this, and a little file folder. You know, when you make something, you just think, I absolutely love that. Definitely be incorporating that again in journals going forward. Absolutely loved it. And again, I just put folded up sheet of paper in there for writing on. Again, you could put all sorts in that envelope. It's a proper envelope. Didn't make this envelope. So that's cool there. And then on the other side, I made a nice big tag there, and then I made a pocket here. And I love this die. It looks like I've just ripped that out of a notebook. Just love it. That's why I wanted the die set, just for that die. So yeah, and then I'd simply done another doily sheet there. The doilies are quite thin, and actually it showed the glue through. It didn't on that one. I can't see the glue on that one, but on this one I could. So, you know, happy little accident. So then I used a circle die there, scallop circle die there, just to cut a circle. It's the same colour, but it's a different design, and I really like the way that turned out, and I like that script on it. So just thought it was a very pretty page. Again, left that plain. I think I did do this on camera, so having now done this, I wish I'd done it on here. I wish I'd done file folder on there, but I didn't. So that's that. Maybe if I do it again. I've got enough of this paper. I reckon I make 2 more. So I might do that on a future one. Love the way that envelope creates a pocket there. So that's the top of this envelope. I cut it off and stuck it down there. This has got secret pocket there. I left that open so that you could tell. Again, nice sentiment, but you could cover that. So that in there. And this is one of the note cards. So these are note cards that were designed to go in this envelope, and I've left it as that. Others I have cut in half, and then we've got a little belly band there with this little journaling card there. And the words that I've made, there's a separate video on making these words as well. Another plain sheet there. This one I did on camera. This is one of the ones I think I did speeded up. So that is one of those note cards cut in half to create that pocket there. Another little pocket here with the sort of ripped out bit of notepad. And then I decided, instead of making this a tag, I'd use the same die along the top there. Quite liked the look of that. And then we've got another one of the cards from the Memories and More pack, and that looks good. And then this is the envelope that I used to cover the centre section of the book. I will probably, when I make another one, use one of the envelopes from the pack on the middle section, but I didn't have those when I was making this. And then I just covered it. I've got a magnet there, can you hear, so that it closes up. I just put one half of the card there, and then just covered that to look pretty. And then again, do you know, I've just realised, I think I've put memories on each one of these pages. That oh no, I did happiness on that one, but I just think that's a really cool look. And again, I think I'll probably use this idea in future journals. I really like the way that turned out. So here we've got a large journaling card, room for writing on there, could put a picture on there. Again, I used the journaling card there, cut it in half, and created a little pocket. And then I think the other half of that I've created, so that's the other half of that card there. Created a little tag. That one was attached, so that was a whole card. I cut it off to create a little 1-inch tag and a little 2-inch tag to pop there in this pocket, which I think the colours, this card wasn't part of the pack that went with this, but I think the colour worked really well. So here we've done similar, so that was just the DSP, and I just cut that big journaling card down to do that with. Created the pocket there out of this, and I've used both halves of those journaling cards there. That's that double card. I think they would take photos really nicely. And then popped this big one in to the back. And I was careful. is a bit of a tight squeeze. I'd probably trim those slightly actually, because I would find that annoying. It will go in, but doesn't slip in and out as much as I would like. Another plain page there, and then we've got that. So that was on a bigger journaling card, and I just cut it down, and I used my favourite punch to create that. I felt that went really well. Again, this was a single 4x3 journaling card. I cut it down to create these two tags that fit in there nicely. Created a pocket out of another one of the journaling tags, and we've got another one of those little bits. That probably needs trimming ever so slightly. Don't like how tight that is. Done a big card there, and then that's one of the journaling cards. I did play with putting a word there, but I decided to leave it because I thought, oh, maybe somebody put a photo on there, put some journaling cards. So that's the other side of this vellum pocket. This was plain. I just stamped in it with that stamp set that I bought. That one's got just a note. It was sort of playing on these being like a notebook end. So I did a load of stamping on that one. I think possibly because I'm not a huge lover of this colour, but this is my least favourite of all of the pages that I've done. This one I like the least, and it's probably because I'm not as in love with that colour, but I know some people love it, so they would possibly love that page. And again, this is a journaling card again from a different pack, Memories and More pack, to the Heart and Home, but I think it worked really well. And I just popped in a couple of tags in there. Had to cut this down because it was 6x4, so created a little pocket there with the offcut. And then here, just another one of those big cards there. Didn't put anything on them. And then I created that tag, and just with the little offcuts, just created a little cluster there, which I quite like. I think that worked really well. I'll put that on the underneath. Yeah, you have. Another plain sheet there, and then just created those two there. Love these words. I'm so happy with the font and the way those words turned out. And then the last page, again, just so there's loads and loads of space for putting things on. And then we've got here, it's an envelope flip, and I've got another little file folder in there. This again was another Memories and More pack, but the colours went really well. And then in this envelope again, just some note paper for writing on, same paper that I used to create the pages. And I decided to just add this here. I was thinking about doing a secret pocket, but I didn't in the end, and just added Dream. This is, I don't know if you can see, it's a stitch die cut there to finish it off. So that's the journal. So I hope you like that. I will probably be selling this. I might make another first. So there's a bit of me that wants to keep it, but I have got enough to make another one, if not two. Won't be identical because I've used quite a lot of the Memories and More cards, so I will have different ones left, so it'll be slightly different, so the cover won't look like that because I've used both those cards now. So yeah, hope you like that, and I will start another journal now that one's finished. Well, obviously I'm going to make one of these, but yeah, let me know if you like it. Give me a thumbs up, give me a share, give me a subscribe, please. That would be great. And I shall bring you another project very, very soon. Bye for now. Check over nigezza.co.uk for close-up pictures. And yeah, and I'll list in my shop everything that's available to buy in terms of the products that I have used. Lots of it's retired, but lots of it isn't. That punch is amazing, and that's available. Okay, bye for now.